In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to click on Privacy here. Select Permission Manager and simply pick any feature you wish to manage. Then click on one of your apps. Pick one of the available options, and when you finished, go back. If you want to, you can also select any feature to look for an app that you wish to manage instead. Click on it. Select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. And manage all of those only for chosen apps the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!